Yo guys, Wagwan, and today I'm doing the 24 hours stay home challenge or the Tanaya Yard challenge. Basically, I made a list of challenges and I want to see how much I can do in 24 hours. I also challenge my friends to see how much they can do, and if you want to take part, the list is down in the description, so just scroll down and comment how much you actually did in 24 hours. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with the 30 coin stacking challenge. See how fast I can stack 30 coins that I have right here. Let's go. Okay, ready. Let me just start the timer. So ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Up. It's already 10 seconds. Come on. Twenty seconds. Seconds. No. Can I get it under 1 minute? No. No. I was trying to get it under 1 minute, but yeah guys, actually stacked it. See, 30 coins, but I didn't get it under. I just knocked it over. I didn't get it under 1 minute. Challenge. Okay, so ready? Handstand challenge. Let's go. That's not 10. One, two. No. No. I can't do 10. Ready. 1, 2, 3. My knee. How long before I give up? Hey. Yo, it's just starting. I need to go the fast. That's tired. Okay, yeah, I'm done.
So the next challenge is doing the round the world.
Okay, ready again. My last time I got one over a minute, but I feel like I can do better. So I'm going to try again. By the way, you can only use one hand for this challenge, and you can't just slide them off the table like this and stack it. You have to pick them up from the table, put them on each other. So yeah, let me try again. Let me get the timer ready. 3, 2, 1, go. No. Okay, that mess up. Yo, the time moving fast. Yo, it's already 25. Come on. Yeah, my hand's sweating. Okay, we're at the halfway mark. No. 15 seconds. And stop. Guys actually did it. Like, if you can see it right there, full stack, and 55. Like, if you can beat that time, let me know. 30 coins stack in 55 seconds. So yeah, on to the next challenge.
Feeling with been money, in other words, I'm moving him, I don't want to hurt him, but I do it. Feel like when I don't get out, I'm like, over
The origami challenge. I actually know a bit of origami, so I don't need a video for this. I'm going to try and see if I remember how to make the crane. I learned this back in high school. Shout out art club. So basically, see if I remember how to do this. This isn't like the right paper to do it with because it's kind of thick, but I mean, not like I'm going to leave my house or anything. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the finished product. I think that's a success. This is an origami crane or a bird, I don't really know. I learned this back in high school, so yeah. If you want to learn how to make it, I'm pretty sure there's a tutorial out there, or if you want me to make a tutorial, I can do that. But you should be able to pull on the tail and it flap the wing, but the paper that I use is too thick. But I think that's another challenge complete.
doing the handstand challenge for 10 seconds. Doing the handstand challenge for 10 seconds.
Okay, so ready for the next challenge. Try fold a shirt in 3 seconds. Got my binary ink t-shirt right here. Ready. So, done. It look like this, so that's pretty folded. That's cool. Let's try that again. So ready? Start the timer now. Done. And it looked like that. I think that's a pass. What do you think? Let me know if that's a pass. And remember, binary ink for all graphics. Check them out. Okay guys, that was the stay home challenge or the Tanaya challenge. The list for all challenges in the description. Let me know how much you were able to do in the comments, and yeah, remember to stay home, be safe, and also remember to like, share and subscribe, and yeah, next week for another video.
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double.